Alrighty. How's everyone doing out there? On May 30th, 2021, while preparing for our big summer trip, the day before, I'm moving a bag of mulch in the shed and I knock over a brick from a stack that I have, lands on my left foot, big toe, and does a considerable amount of damage because I'm wearing sandals. Never ever wear sandals while doing yard work or anything again. I learned my lesson. Anyhow, little story about a trip to the VAER. Catch you in a bit. Waiting for it to get numb. Just had a series of shots all over my big toe. That felt real good. But we're waiting for it to get numb right now, and they're going to come in and take the toenail off. That ain't no fun. Taking the toenail. Top notch. Elvin C. York, VA Medical Center, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Top notch care. Great doctor. Great nurse. Couldn't treat me any better. All right, in a minute. Well, they just removed the nail and put a couple stitches in where the nail used to be. Jeez, it hurts. It hurts big time. All right, in a minute.